Welcome back to the Abstract Engineer. In today's videos, we are going to learn one of the most important React hook, the useEffect hook. By the end of this video, you will not only understand what is useEffect, but also how it works behind the scene, how to control it using the dependency, how to clean up effect properly, just like a professional React Native developer. So grab your coffee because after this video, you will be able to explain the useEffect to anyone and you will be never get confused by it again. So what is useEffect? useEffect is React hook that lets you perform the side effect in your functional component. Now you might ask, what is side effect? Side effect are the action that affect something outside your component. They are the thing like fetching the data from the API, set up the event listener, using the local storage and updating the document title or starting the timer or interval. Normally React components are supposed to be a pure function. That means for the same input props and state, they should return the same UI output, the same output UI. But the side effect break that rules. They interact with the thing outside the React world, but they interact the things outside the React worlds. That's where the use effect comes. It tells the React after you have done render the UI, please run this extra piece of code. So this is the basic syntax of the use effect, and you can see we have two arguments. The first one we have a function and the second one we have a dependency array. In this part we are going to write your side effect code, and this is the dependency array which control when the effect should run. And also one thing more, the use effect always run after the UI renders. We can use the use effect without the dependency array. The second one, we can use the empty dependency array, we can use with the dependency array, and the last one we can use with the multiple dependency array. So now I'm going to show you the first example without the dependency array. How can we use the use effect without the any dependency array? So for that, just come here and type the use effect, and you need to import the use effect from the React. Just click and callback function like this. Now I'm going to show you the simple alert function, alert effect without the dependency array like this, without the dependency array. So when I save it, you can see we seen the alert. But first let me remove these things, and we just want to create the three buttons. You can see I just save it multiple times and we seen the multiple alerts. So you can see like this, multiple alerts. But now I'm going to show you for the proper explanation. I take a one use state, you can see, and also I take a three buttons and assigning the use state, assigning the value in the use state also, like a like, share and post. So whenever I click to the share button, you can see I seen the alert again because of the what? Because of the use effect is running. Whenever I click to the post button, then I can see alert, but I need to show alert one time. I don't want to show alert again and again when I passing the value in the screen. So for that we are going to take a dependency array. So this is the dependency array. When we have the empty or dependency array, this runs only once when the component first mount. This is useful for the action like fetching the data when the app is start. And this is the empty dependency array. But now I'm showing you with the dependency array. Just copy the action type, just paste it in the empty array like this and just save it. You can see the alert. When I click to the post button, you can see when I click to the post button, I do not see anything or any alert. Because of what? Because of this dependency type, because we already passed the action type to the dependency array. In this condition, useEffect will be run when the state and variable is changed. When I click to the share button, you can see I seen the alert. Because of what? Because we just changed the value. When I click again to the share button, we do not see anything. When I click to the like, then again we can see the use effect. So this is the dependency array. So now I'm going to show you the multiple dependency array. So this is the dependency array. So now I'm going to show you the multiple dependency array. So now I'm going to take another state also, that should be a count and also a set count. You can also add the multiple dependency array also like this, and just let me reload it, and let me reload the app, and we do not see anything. And let me edit the 1 or 0, and I need to print the count also. And let me copy this, and when I click to the +1 like this, and let me edit on press, and let's see, set count, and count +1, and let's see. You can see when I click to the 0, and I'm going to increment the value also. You can see I just increment the value and also render the use effect again. When I also click to the post, I'm going to show you the alert. I'm going to show, you can see. So like this, we can use the multiple dependency array. So like this, we can use the use effect in React and React Native. If you want to call the API, you need to call the function of the API inside the use effect. If you want to call anything side effect, you need to call this thing in the use effect. You can also take a multiple use effect in one screen. One thing you need to remember about the use effect render after the UI is render. So this is for today. See you in next video. For now, bye bye.